Thank you very much for taking my call. And I watch every Sunday night, and I wanted to thank all the attorneys that have been on there for taking their valuable time in doing this. But my question is, if someone has been drinking too much and they know they've been overserved and they call someone to come pick them up as a designated driver, and you pick them up, they're in the passenger seat, and the driver's pulled over for whatever reason, speeding or whatever. If the passenger in that car is doing nothing, not talking to the officer, can the officer ask him to get out of the car and then give him a public intox charge?
Well, Sandy, first and foremost, you thank the attorneys. I want to thank the designated drivers out there. They're the real heroes. In that situation, if there's a designated driver and the passenger is the person who's intoxicated, I don't think that it's lawful for an officer to give that person a breathalyzer and field sobriety test and all those things. That's the whole reason for a designated driver. And I think in a situation like that, that officer is actually discouraging people from becoming designated drivers. And furthermore, he's discouraging people who are drinking from calling designated drivers. Secondly, if the person is in the vehicle, I don't see how they can substantiate a charge for public intoxication. I just don't see how that would stand. But if someone does find themselves in that situation, I would strongly suggest that they get a good attorney to go and fight for them in that situation, because that sounds like that officer may have been looking for something, and that's definitely an overreach.